Welcome back. Today we're looking at 30 Illinois weird facts. Let's go. 1. In Chicago, it's actually illegal to give your dog whiskey. So yeah, no shots for Spot. 2. Believe it or not, you're not allowed to fish while sitting on a giraffe's neck in Illinois. Who came up with that one? 3. In Kirkland, bees are technically supposed to get permission before flying over the town. How exactly does that work? 4. Got muddy tires? You might be breaking the law in Chicago. Driving with dirty tires is a no-go. 5. Dining in a burning building? Nope, that's illegal. Makes sense, but still oddly specific. 6. Underage? You can't even order a drink in Illinois bars, even if you're just kidding. 7. An old law in Wheaton says women aren't allowed to wear pants. Time to rewrite the wardrobe laws. 8. In Zion, dogs can't wear fancy collars or, get this, smoke cigarettes. 9. One bizarre old ordinance in Chicago made it illegal for ugly people to go out in public. Yikes. 10. If you drive into Normal, IL, you're supposed to call the police first. Totally practical, right? 11. Fun fact. Illinois was the first state to ratify the 13th Amendment and end slavery. Go Illinois. 12. Every St. Patrick's Day, the Chicago River turns neon green, and no, it's not toxic. 13. The very first franchised McDonald's opened in Des Plaines back in 1955. 14. Springfield claims the honor of inventing the corn dog on a stick. Festival food royalty. 15. Greenview IL has an actual UFO landing pad, just in case aliens drop by. 16. Casey, Illinois is obsessed with going big. Think world's largest mailbox, rocking chair, knitting needles, all in one tiny town. 17. Chicago built the first skyscraper in the world in 1885. It was a towering 10 stories tall. 18. There's a giant ketchup bottle water tower in Collinsville, over 170 feet of saucy pride. 19. Illinois declared popcorn its official state snack in 2003. Solid choice, honestly. 20. With the right license, you can legally drive a tank in Illinois. Weekend plans, anyone? 21. Metropolis, IL proudly calls itself Superman's hometown, and there's a statue to prove it. 22. Niles. IL has a half-size replica of the Leaning Tower of Pisa, just because. 23. 1. Chicago McDonald's has a piano-playing robot. Fast food meets fine arts. 24. Grace Lake is home to a spiraling goat tower. Yes, goats can climb it. Yes, it's adorable. 25. Staunton has a giant pink elephant statue wearing glasses and holding a martini. Absolutely iconic. 26. In some towns, you can be fined for falling asleep in a cheese shop. Stay sharp, cheddar heads. 27. The Chicago River flows backwards. Engineers reversed it on purpose in 1900 to fix sanitation issues. 28. There's a museum in Chicago full of antique brain saws and creepy medical tools, the International Museum of Surgical Science. 29. Sue the T-Rex lives in the Field Museum in Chicago, and she's one of the most complete dinos ever discovered. 30. Naperville once snagged the title of second best place to live in the entire U.S., and they haven't stopped bragging since. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.